Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing great today. So today we're really excited to share our project with you. The title of our project is Conventional Control Cartesian Machine. This project is part of our project-based learning and was carried out under the guidance of Mr. Sulistiana as our project manager. Through this project, we didn't just learn about machine, but also learn about teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Before we jump into the presentation, let us introduce our team first. My name is Nia Wahdani, and I'm the team leader. I was responsible for coordinating the team as well as handling reports, logbooks, and overall documentation. Jihan took care of visual documentation and presentation, including preparing materials and recording videos. Haikal handled FI's mechanical work and electrical wiring, including 3D printing and system integration. Izzy worked on mechanical assembly and troubleshooting, making sure the system could run properly. And Handi was responsible for mechanical design and the project sequential workflow. Now that you know our team, let's take a look at what we'll be presenting today. We'll start with our project objective and progress, then we'll move on to the project timeline, task grouping and execution sequence. After that, we'll show you our project function test video and the final result. And lastly, we'll share the challenge we face and the lesson we learned throughout this semester. Hopefully by the end in this presentation, you'll have a clear idea of how our project works and what we gain from it. Alright, without further ado, I'll hand it over to my teammates for the next section.
Okay, as you can see here, we have 5 primary objectives, which is design and construct a miniature Cartesian machine that use a manual control system via push button. And additionally, we aim to analyze the integration of mechanical and electrical system while strictly implementing the occupational health and safety principles. This project also serves as a platform to develop our teamwork and mechanical realization skill through project-based learning. And in this slide, we try to illustrate our project progress. Starting from the top to the bottom is understanding the project concept and presenting our implementation plan or RPP. We then move through material collection, design, assembly, and wiring, finally concluding with troubleshooting and documentation. Moving on, my colleague will be presenting the next slide.
Based on our previous presentation in midterm, we mentioned a few timelines, so we decided to organize our timeline into 4 major functional groups to manage the workload effectively. The group focused specifically on mechanical assembly, electrical system interconnection, systems testing, and finally the documentation phase. Here is the chronological execution of our project phase. We begin with phase first, focusing on mechanical assembly, move to phase second for electrical system, conduction, validation, and testing in phase third, and finally the project with documentation in phase fourth. The next slide will be presented by my teammate.
Okay, function test video. First, let's see this video. Okay, for the testing phase, as you can see in this video, our machine is operating as planned. The x-axis is capable moving both left and right by reversing current flow in these motors. Similarly, the z-axis is moving upward or downwards depending on the direction of electrical currents provided in these motors. Okay, next slide. So this is a final result of our machine, conventional control Cartesian machine. We utilize 12 volts battery here as primary source to drive the two DC motors in here, integrated into the system, and we use button here to control the x-axis and z-axis. Now I will hand over it to my next partner to discuss next sections. Thank you.
Okay, challenge we faced. This project did not go as smooth as we had expected in the beginning. During the process, we faced several challenges, including incomplete design specification that require additional time to develop and finalize, as well as shortages of essential materials that caused delay in the project timeline. The rotation of the z-axis is unstable and lack of precision, causing the mechanical instability. In addition, the motor weight exceeds the load-bearing capacity of the acrylic structure, causing it to tilt. Despite the challenges, we gained new knowledge, such as hard skill in reading and creating mechanical drawings, then understanding laser cutting, 3D printing, and DC control motor using push button. Lastly, the soft skills that we are developed are equally important, such as teamwork and time management, while maintaining strict safety standards throughout the working process.
So that's bring us to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next project, guys.